Yeah, if you over expand it out, it loses its gears. Remember that? Why don't you guys get the block and let's try to grab the block. Place the block so we can grab it. No? No? Can it lift it? Lift the sea perch. Oh, look at that.
What are we actually like walk like that?
Just that.
Yeah, right there.
Now the ultimate test would be if we drop some keys in the pool and it picks it up.
Or we have to get a drop my keys in there so we can pick it up. Somebody's if they can't pick it up, somebody's gonna get it. I did too, but I forgot.
Then I was like, oh, okay. And then I was like, oh, it's going to click easy.
So are you guys content with the controls? Alright.
See how far you can rotate? Like how far you can rotate?
Yeah, it's not angled properly for a complete 90 degree. It's just offset a little bit. Now, looking at the design the way it is right now, what would you do differently next time?
I think we would give it like up and down.
Up and down, right? Yeah, right now we don't have that.
Put it towards the center of the thing.
Center of the sea perch.
Hanging out the front. It's gonna throw everything off.
Mm.
Yeah.
Or maybe you can make sure that way it's not.
Yeah.
Although
Make the arm
it is going to float.